If you've ever looked into selling feet pics online, you've probably heard people say that it's easy. Just take a photo of your feet and upload it. But what most beginners don't realize is that the real money comes from something a little more interesting. Custom requests. And sometimes those requests are funny, oddly specific, or kind of strange and make you pause and say, wait, you want me to do what with my feet? Today we're talking about how people actually make money selling feet pics, the unexpected earnings creators report, and 2 of the weirdest buyer requests that circulate in the community. If you're new here, this channel breaks down how selling feet pics online actually works. Content ideas and buyer psychology, to pricing strategies and platforms like Feetfinder. So if you're curious about how this unusual side hustle really works and what buyers are looking for, this video is going to give you a behind the scenes look. One of the biggest surprises that beginners experience isn't the photos. It's receiving custom requests. Many buyers aren't just scrolling for random pictures, they're looking for something specific. Different angles, weird slow toe movements, full close-ups, and relaxed barefoot lifestyle movements. Some requests are totally normal. Others are a little more, let's just say, creative. And that's when new sellers realize that this niche is way more interesting than they expected. One unusual request that's been discussed online used a very unexpected prop. A buyer asked a creator to film a video of their bare toes slowly pressing into a grapefruit. Yup, a grapefruit. The request focused on the texture of the fruit and the slow movements of the bare toes pressing into it. Strange? A little, but it highlights something important about this niche. Buyers often enjoy unusual visuals, textures, and playful concepts. For creators, requests like this are always optional, and many sellers charge premium prices for maybe something that the buyer wants that's a little extra creative. Another surprising common request involves very specific toe details. Some buyers ask for things like long toes, toe spreading and flexing, and individual toe close-ups. Sometimes they want slow videos of the toes wiggling, stretching, or moving gently. It might sound oddly specific, but niche preferences are exactly what make this market work. Different buyers are drawn to different features, and creators who embrace their own unique style usually attract loyal fans who appreciate it. Custom requests exist because buyers want something that feels personal. Instead of generic photos, they want a moment that feels a little more exclusive. That could be simple scenes like being barefoot on a couch, walking barefoot through grass, close-ups of arches or soles, and specific slow toe drags and movements, strictly personalized to the buyer's preference. And buyers tend to enjoy it more. That's why many sellers earn more money from custom requests than just regular photo uploads. Many beginners just assume that selling feet pics is just a quick side hustle. But what surprises creators is that the income actually builds over time. Most earnings don't come from one single photo. They come from multiple streams like custom requests, repeat buyers, photo bundles, and subscriptions. One tip: a buyer might purchase once, but a happy buyer will come back again and again. And repeat buyers are where the creators see the biggest results. Even when requests are unusual, successful creators keep things professional. A typical message conversation might look like this. The buyer might say, "Hi, do you offer custom close-up photos or toe movement videos?" And the seller says, "Hi, yes, I do offer custom content. Let me know the details and I can send a custom offer through Feetfinder." Simple, friendly, professional. Most experienced sellers follow 3 simple rules. Only accept requests you're comfortable with. Charge more for custom or unusual requests. Keep communication clear and respectful. Because in the end, you're not just posting photos. You're running a small online content business. One reason many creators start on Feetfinder is because the platform is designed specifically for feet pic selling. Instead of dealing with random messages across social media, everything happens in one place. You can create a verified profile, upload barefoot photos and videos, communicate with buyers, and sell custom content securely. That structure helps beginners focus on creating content instead of chasing buyers around the internet. Selling feet pics isn't about just taking photos. It's about understanding what buyers enjoy, staying consistent, and setting clear boundaries. Yes, sometimes you might even get a request involving fruit or very specific toe angles. But the creators who succeed treat this like a business, not a random side hustle. That's how casual barefoot photos turn into a real income. If you're curious about selling feet pics, you can go ahead and make a profile on Feetfinder to learn more. Subscribe for more creator strategies and real insights into how this unusual niche actually works.